National Youth Day is observed every year on. Correct answer is 12th January. Army Day is observed every year on. Correct answer is 15th January. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti, also observed as Parakram Divas, is celebrated on. Correct answer is 23rd January. National Girl Child Day is observed on. Correct answer is 24th January. National Voters Day is observed every year on. Correct answer is 25th January. What was the theme of National Voters Day 2026? Correct answer is My India, My Vote. Republic Day is celebrated every year on. Correct answer is 26th January. World Leprosy Day 2026 had which theme? Correct answer is leprosy is curable. The real challenge is stigma. Indian Coast Guard Day is observed on. Correct answer is 1st February. World Wetlands Day is observed every year on. Correct answer is 2nd February. World Cancer Day is observed on. Correct answer is 4th February. What was the theme of World Cancer Day 2026? Correct answer is United by Unique. International Day Against Female Genital Mutilation is observed on. Correct answer is 6th February. National Productivity Day is observed on 12th February. World Radio Day is observed every year on. Correct answer is 13th February. International Mother Language Day is observed on. Correct answer is 21st February. National Safety Day is observed on. Correct answer is 4th March. What was the theme of National Safety Day 2026? Correct answer is engage, educate, and empower people to enhance safety. International Women's Day is observed on. Correct answer is 8th March. What was the theme of International Women's Day 2026? Correct answer is rights, justice, action for all women and girls. World Sleep Day 2026 was observed on. Correct answer is 13th March. What was the theme of World Sleep Day 2026? Correct answer is sleep well, live better. World Water Day is observed on. Correct answer is 22nd March. What was the theme of World Water Day 2026? Correct answer is water and gender, where water flows, equality grows. World Tuberculosis Day is observed on. Correct answer is 24th March. What was the theme of World Tuberculosis Day 2026? Correct answer is yes, we can end tuberculosis. Utkal Devas or Odisha Foundation Day is observed on. Correct answer is 1st April. World Autism Awareness Day is observed on. Correct answer is 2nd April. What was the theme of World Autism Awareness Day 2026? Correct answer is Autism and Humanity, Every Life as Value. International Day for Mine Awareness and Assistance in Mine Action is observed on. Correct answer is 4th April. What was the theme of Mine Awareness Day 2026? Correct answer is Invest in Peace, Invest in Mine Action. World Health Day is observed on. Correct answer is 7th April. What was the theme of World Health Day 2026? Correct answer is Together for Health, Stand with Science. National Fire Service Day is observed on. Correct answer is 14th April. What was the theme of National Fire Service Day 2026? Correct answer is Safe School, Safe Hospital, and Fire Safety Aware Society together for fire prevention. World Earth Day 2026 was observed with which theme? Correct answer is Our Power, Our Planet. International Labor Day is observed on. Correct answer is 1st May. What was the theme of International Labor Day 2026? Correct answer is ensuring a healthy psychosocial working environment. World Press Freedom Day is observed on. Correct answer is 3rd May. What was the theme of World Press Freedom Day 2026? Correct answer is shaping a future of peace. National Technology Day is observed on. Correct answer is 11th May. International Nurses Day is observed on. Correct answer is 12th May. What was the theme of International Nurses Day 2026? Correct answer is Our Nurses, Our Future, Empower Nurses Saves Lives. World Environment Day is observed on. Correct answer is 5th June. World Blood Donor Day is observed on. Correct answer is 14th June. What was the theme of International Day of Yoga 2026? Correct answer is Yoga for Healthy Aging. International Day of Yoga is observed every year on. Correct answer is 21st June. International Day of Cooperatives 2026 was observed on. Correct answer is 4th July. What was the theme of International Day of Cooperatives 2026? Correct answer is Cooperatives for a Peaceful World. What was the theme of World Day Against Trafficking in Persons 2026? Correct answer is Trapped Behind the Scam. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe.